Hi, today we're going to read a story called Mousetronaut. It's written by astronaut Mark Kelly. Mousetronaut, a partially true story. The space shuttle is set for launch and the astronauts are doing their last-minute training to prepare for the mission. NASA is sending along some special guests for this flight and they're training too. One mouse is smaller than all the rest. His name is Meteor. The other mice know he won't be chosen for this important mission, but someone has his eye on Meteor, and he's impressed with the little mouse's hard work. The shuttle commander announces that 6 mice will be selected for the flight. He picks 5 of the biggest, strongest mice. But for the 6th spot, to everyone's surprise, he chooses Meteor. All 6 are taken to their new home, a special cage called the Mouse Hotel. The other mice are nervous as the countdown begins, but not Meteor. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, liftoff! At first, the mice are pressed flat against their cages by the power of the launch. But then the pressure goes away. The other mice cling to their cage in terror, but not Meteor. He loves the feeling of weightlessness. "Hey, little guy," the commander says, "you're a natural, a real, live Mousetronaut." Meteor is taken from his cage and gets a tour of the shuttle. He can even see the Earth way off in the distance. The astronauts are all very busy during the 14-day flight. There are spacewalks to take and experiments to conduct. But what can Meteor do to help? Then, while answering an email, one of the astronauts notices the key to the control panel stuck between the monitors. When he tries to get it out, it accidentally gets wedged further down. "This isn't good," says the commander. "We need that key back." One astronaut tries to move the monitor. It doesn't budge. Another slips her fingers into the crack, but the key is stuck down too deep. One even tries pushing it out with a long piece of metal, but with no luck. No one can reach it. The astronauts are getting worried, but as they discuss the problem, a tiny figure has an idea. Do you see it? Being the smallest isn't a bad thing, Meteor says to himself. Maybe I can be useful on this flight. Meteor squeezes his way into the crack. The space is dark and cramped, but Meteor spots the key and tugs at it with all his might. "Hey, look at what our tiny friend has done," the commander said. "He saved the mission." When the shuttle returns to Earth, Meteor is declared a hero. He's even given a brand new uniform and an official title, Mousetronaut. All the astronauts cheer and applaud, but Meteor is already thinking about his next big mission. The end. Hi everyone, it's Miss Lee. Today we're going to make something fun called Galaxy Dough. So if you would like, you can let us know you'd like one of these little fun bags that have your dry ingredients already mixed for you. So you're going to dump that in a bowl. And then you're going to need about 2 tablespoons of water. I heat it in the microwave so it's a little bit warm, not super hot. And to this water, I'm going to add a drop of food coloring. I have black. If you don't have black, you can use purple. You can mix a couple of different colors to see if you can get black. So I'm going to stir that around. And to that, I'm also going to add about 1/8 of a tablespoon of oil. If you get a little more, it's okay. You just don't want a whole lot more. Okay, and I'm going to stir that in. And then I'm going to add it slowly to my dry ingredients. I'm not going to add it all at once. I want to pour about half in. And then I'm going to stir. If it still looks kind of dry and not pulling together into a ball, add a little bit more. And stir it again until you start getting what looks like dough and the nighttime sky in your bowl. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit more, still looking a little dry. That's looking great. Now, I'm going to touch it because the water was warm, so I don't want to put my hand in there just yet. You might want a grown-up to help you.
But I think I can touch this with my fingers now. So I'm gonna reach in and start squishing it around with my hands, which is the most fun, until you can make a nice ball of what looks like, whoops, the nighttime sky. And it will stick to your fingers a little bit, that's okay, you can wash it off. The more you mix it, the darker it's gonna start looking, and you can see the sparkly galaxy of little stars in there that I've made. So enjoy your galaxy dough, and just let us know if you'd like to stop by and pick up a bag for each child.